Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make some smoked salmon. It's a really easy to do recipe, and we will smoke the salmon in the Pit Bus digital vertical smoker series 3, which is the smallest vertical smoker from Pit Bus. And to smoke it, because we need to smoke in a temperature under 30 Celsius degree, even under 25 if it's possible, we will use a smoke tube from Pit Bus, put some pellets and let it smoke for maybe 6 hours. You have to know that when you smoke with pellets in a smoke tube, it's more the taste of smoke is more important. The power of smoke is more important than on a dust circle or with wood chips. So 6 hours seems to be good for the first time. 3 steps for this recipe. The first one is to salt the salmon. So we will use some coarse salt and some sugar, maybe for 6 to 8 hours. Then we will rinse it. We will let it dry in the fridge for 24 hours, and the day after we will be able to smoke it for 6 hours. Okay, so let's go. The first thing to do is to make the salt mix. So I will use 2 cups of salt for 1 cup of light brown sugar. Okay. And I will mix. So now we will take a big dish like this one in stainless steel or glass, and we will put our first layer of the mix on the bottom, sorry. And now I will cover the flesh with the mix. Okay, you don't need to fully cover. Six to 8 hours in the fridge now. So at this point, it's very easy. I will just use the digital smoker from Pit Bus, the Series 3, but I will not light it up. I will just use my smoke tube from Pit Bus. Okay, I fill the smoke tube with a pellet, and now I will light those pellets, and in 5 minutes I will blow the flame off, and then we will be able to smoke the salmon. So now the salmon is smoked. You can see that there is a beautiful color and a great smoke flavor. And now we will use a flat knife. I don't have a good salmon knife, but this one will be okay. So I will just remove. Yep. So the knife must lay on the salmon the flattest way possible. Okay, and you put your hand. I'm left-handed, so it's not easy to show you on the camera, but you help the knife with your hand and try to get the thinnest possible slices. This one is not perfect. Yep. Once you try it, you will never go back. So I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye bye.